दे दी हमें आजादी, बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल.
Among all the greatest sons of India, the name of Mahatma Gandhi is in the forefront. He was the man who faced one of the world's biggest superpowers, the British Raj, with a daunting courage and perseverance. Through his principle of non-violence, which was indeed a force to reckon with. Even after his death, he is considered to be a role model of countless of people of India and abroad. The difference between a successful man and an ordinary man is not the lack of strength, but the lack of will. A scintillating morning to all. Today, we the students of class 10J have got the golden opportunity to present our class assembly on Gandhi Jayanti.
So now, let us start our day with the blessing of Almighty. So, here comes Siddhant who will conduct our morning prayer.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow, domestic worlds, where words come out from the depths of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the daily desert sand of that habit, where the mind is led forward by the into ever-widening thought and action into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country abide.
Pledge instills a sense of patriotism amongst us. It is a way to show our love and respect for our nation. So now I request Muskan to lead us with the pledge.
India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elder respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
To add new words to our vocabulary, we have Arman with us for the words of the day.
Pacifism and Stoicism. Pacifism can be spelled as P-A-C-I-F-I-S-M. The meaning of the word pacifism is the belief that violence or war is not the only way to solve any problem or dispute. It can be used in sentences like Mahatma Gandhi succeeded in Satyagraha by following the path of pacifism. The second word is Stoicism. It can be spelled as S-T-O-I-C-I-S-M. The meaning of the word Stoicism is the endurance of pain or hardship without the display of feelings or complaint. It can be used in sentences like Mahatma Gandhi believed that Stoicism is one of the most important traits that each and every human should have.
We should always start our day with lots of positivity and enthusiasm. So, here comes Nimisha to spread positivity amongst us.
The thought for today is you may never know what results come of your action, but if you don't do anything, there will be no result. The meaning of this thought is sitting idly can never bring success. To be successful, you have to make sure that you are working meticulously. To be precise, there is no shortcut when it comes to accomplish the goals of your desire. However, if you don't have any actions, there will be no result at all. Thank you.
News help us to keep ourselves updated. So, here comes Atul, Aryan and Reva to enlighten us with the current happenings.
Here comes the national news. PM Modi reaches New York to address 76th UNGA session. ICMR stops use of ivermectin for COVID-19 treatment. NDMA recommended rupees 50,000 compensation for each COVID-19 death to the SDRF. Rupees 50,000 compensation is a cruel joke, says Congress. No evidence of any new variant in India, says INSACOG. Maharashtra announced reopening of schools from 4th October.
Today's international news headlines are as follows. Taliban hanged a dead body from a crane in the main square of the Herat city in western Afghanistan. Several states in the US will celebrate October as Hindu Heritage Month. The Quad leader welcomed India's decision to resume exports of COVID-19 vaccines beginning in October. China criticized Quad summit, saying the formation of exclusive closed cliques runs against the trend of times and it is doomed to fail. The blockade and the starvation that comes with it mark a new phase in the 10-month war between Tigray forces and Ethiopian government, along with its allies.
Sports news are as follows. MS Dhoni should play at number 4 once CSK qualify for the playoff, says Gautam Gambhir. IPL 2021, R. Ashwini, third Indian spinner, picks off 250 wickets in T20 cricket. England cricketers had no role in pulling out of Pakistan tour, says player union. RR pacer Chetan Kapadia will be under the psychological pressure in Delhi.
Today's news forecast is the temperature will be between 25 degree to 28 degrees Celsius. 80% chances of precipitation with humidity 90% along with the average speed of wind of 6 km per hour.
An assembly without something special is always incomplete. So here we have with us Anjali to make it special with a beautiful poem.
To our great country, let us pay homage. Let us get together and hear Bapu's message. Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and Christians, remember, you all are Indians. India is your motherland and unity is your strength. Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no word untrue. Satyamev Jayate should be our motto. North, south, east or west, no matter where you stay, just do your duty, come that way. Do it day by day. No one's high, nor anyone low. Let us solve barriers of caste and threat. Let us treat every man as equal, work God's creation. Like you and me, let children though we are. Let us pledge today, with Satya and Ahimsa as our theme, we will fulfill our Bapu's dream.
We remember more better when we actually see things happening. So, let us have a puppet show by Sneha, which is related to a real life incidents which happened with Gandhiji when he was young.
True boy. One day at school, an educational inspector visited the classroom where Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was studying. I want you all to write down the spelling of the word that I will dictate. The class master was afraid of the inspector and was worried that the student will make mistake. The inspector gave them the word kettle to write the correct spelling. After they had written the word, the inspector asked the teacher to collect their slates of all the students. Shh, shh, shh. Look at your neighbor's slate and check the spelling of the word. Gandhi refused to do so after Mr. Gills had left the class. Gandhi refused to do so after Mr. Gills had left the class. Why didn't you copy from your neighbor's slate? You are the only child who has written the wrong word. Why didn't you cheat? I am sorry, sir, but I didn't want to cheat. It is wrong to cheat. So, friends, you see how Gandhiji was a man of principles even when he was a child. We should inculcate and imbibe good values and always follow the right path even if it is difficult.
In a time of drastic change, it is the learners who inherit the future. With this beautiful quote, I would finally like to invite Yash to share some interesting facts with us.
His birthday, 2nd October, is commemorated worldwide as International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhiji was nominated in 1937, 38, 39, 1947, and finally, few days before he was assassinated in January 1948 for a Nobel Peace Prize. In 1930, he was the Time Magazine Man of the Year. A man collected works of Mahatma Gandhi which had 50,000 pages.
Now, I request everyone to rise up for the national anthem.
That Mahatma Gandhi's contribution of peace and non-violence to this world is unparalleled. His teachings must be promoted to resolve current conflicts, to avoid violence, and to find peaceful solutions for every small or big problem to make this world a better place. Thank you all and have a great day ahead.
Happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Jayanti.